If you're new here or you're a return subscriber, you know that I like LEDs. So that's what we're gonna do today on the truck. In the previous video, I restored the headlights. You can see everything so clearly now. So pretty much everything's gonna change to LEDs, including the fog lights, as well as this reverse tail light. So from what I know, we just gotta take the 2 Phillips screwdrivers out, or screws out. You wanna make sure you keep these in a safe place. And then it just pops out like that. These are the LEDs I'm gonna be putting in. Pops right in. And then it gets locked into this spot. Then this slides right back in. And that's it. Put it in reverse. To me, it already looks way brighter. It's kind of crazy how things used to be back in the day. Because the only thing holding up this lamp right here is this tab. I already pushed it out and it pops right out just like that. Squeeze in and twist out. Same thing for this bottom one. It pops out. Bottom one's simple as well. You just go like this. Pop it out. Take these out. Just like that. Well, let me disconnect them first. They're really so easy to disconnect. Look, that's this housing now. So that's the way we're gonna work. We're gonna work from the second housing up. Here are the lenses we're gonna be replacing. This is from this housing. And like that. So now let me get the replacement bulb. Actually, let me disconnect this one as well. There, and then this part. Well, this housing is actually broken. That's kind of crazy. It's not even, oh, this whole bulb was broken. Damn, look at that. Right. Okay, good. Connects just like that. Now I'm gonna just put the housing in. So it seems I might have put them in the wrong side. This one without the fan that fits in this side. I have them set up the wrong way right now. So I'm gonna fix them real quick and then we'll get back to it. So those are my high beams. Night and day difference. So a problem I ran into when I was putting switchbacks in my car was that it created hyperflash. So I had to buy some resistors to put in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try putting just the switchbacks in, see if that does anything before I final assembly. Everything's plug and play unless I need my resistors. Hopefully it's not. There we go. So that's what I was talking about when the switchbacks have hyperflash. I have these resistors that I'm gonna have to put in. I kind of wish they weren't this big, but I haven't been able to find a system to replace this. Let me disconnect this. That's my switchback. I'm gonna have to put the resistor in. Then my switchback, and then that should fix hyperflash. This is supposed to be on 2, but it's not working. So I think it has a polar side. Let's just fix that real quick. Just rotate like that. Fixed it. But this one's not a switchback, it's just like an accessory light. And then fog lights, still have to put those in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and just like that, LEDs in the front are complete. So you saw how it looked. Now you can see everything way better. The next thing I want to put for lighting would be a light bar. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Next one we're gonna finish putting the interior LEDs and the cargo lights as well